Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Wonderful Relationship. Today we have a compelling and intimate topic to explore: 20 physically intimate gestures women love men doing. These gestures are a way to connect on a deeper level and express your love and affection physically. But before we delve into these intimate actions, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay updated with our content. Let's dive right in. Segment 1. Holding hands. Let's start with the classic, holding hands. It's a simple yet powerful way to connect and make her feel safe and cherished. Whether you're taking a walk or just sitting together, holding hands can create a strong bond. Segment 2. Forehead kisses. Forehead kisses are incredibly tender. They convey love, protection, and a deep emotional connection. These sweet gestures can make her feel valued and appreciated. Segment 3. Hugging from behind. Hugging her from behind is a gesture that can be both intimate and surprising. It shows your affection and desire to be close. It can be a comforting and loving act. Segment 4. Snuggling on the couch. Snuggling on the couch is a perfect way to relax and bond. It provides a sense of physical closeness and warmth. This intimate gesture creates a sense of togetherness. Segment 5. Soft caresses and stroking. Soft caresses and stroking are incredibly sensual. They can be soothing and convey affection and desire. These touches can ignite passion and deepen your connection. Segment 6. Running fingers through her hair. Running your fingers through her hair can be deeply comforting. It's a gesture that provides a sense of care and affection. It's a simple yet meaningful way to show your love. Segment 7. Whispering sweet nothings. Whispering sweet nothings into her ear is incredibly intimate. It creates a private moment and allows you to express your feelings and desires. It's a powerful way to connect on a deeper level. Segment 8. Shoulder and neck massages. Offering shoulder and neck massages is a thoughtful and intimate gesture. It provides physical relaxation and shows your care. It's a great way to relieve stress and show your affection. Segment 9. Cuddling. Cuddling is a beloved way to connect physically and emotionally. It provides a sense of comfort, security, and closeness. Cuddling can be both passionate and reassuring. Segment 10. Playing with her fingers. Playing with her fingers is a subtle yet intimate gesture. It's a sign of affection and can be both soothing and playful. It's a way to create a close connection. Segment 11. Kissing her neck. Kissing her neck is a sensual and passionate gesture. It's a way to express desire and show affection. It can be a powerful turn-on. Segment 12. Foot massages. Offering foot massages is a thoughtful act of care. It shows that you're willing to pamper and make her feel cherished. It's a gesture of physical love. Segment 13. Touching her face. Gently touching her face is an intimate and affectionate gesture. It can convey love and deep emotional connection. It's a way to express your feelings without words. Segment 14. Sharing a secret language. Creating a secret language or inside jokes with her is a unique way to connect. It fosters a sense of intimacy and exclusivity. It's a bond that's just between the two of you. Segment 15. Feeding each other. Feeding each other can be incredibly sensual. It's a way to share a meal and a moment of intimacy. It's a symbol of care and affection. Segment 16. Dancing together. Dancing together is a romantic gesture that can be incredibly intimate. It allows you to connect physically and emotionally. It's a way to share a moment of passion. Segment 17. Taking baths or showers together. Taking baths or showers together is a sensual and intimate experience. It's a way to share an incredibly personal and vulnerable moment. It's an opportunity to create a deep connection. Segment 18. Soft whispers and gentle nuzzles. Soft whispers and gentle nuzzles are a sign of affection and tenderness. These intimate gestures convey your love and desire. They're a way to express your emotions. Segment 19. The morning after cuddle. The morning after cuddle is a cherished moment of intimacy. It's a way to start the day in each other's arms. It's a gesture of love and comfort. Segment 20. Gazing into each other's eyes. Finally, gazing into each other's eyes is a deeply romantic and intimate gesture. It's a way to connect on a soulful level. It's a silent expression of your love. In conclusion, these physically intimate gestures can enhance your connection and create a profound bond. Remember, the key is to always communicate and ensure that both partners are comfortable and receptive. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more valuable content. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care, everyone, and may your relationships be filled with love, passion, and lasting connections.